Hello, sexy. So, what I'm gonna do is put on a rear GoPro, and I'm going to try to use zip ties to get it to lanyard. Gotta make sure the rubber piece is up or out of the way first before it will slide in. Now, we don't want it to lanyard over to here and hang and hit the tire, but at the same time, this is going to be even this is a greater distance here, so I may have to lanyard it to the license plate after all. Just in case I lose it. Now, what I'm going to do, I could have actually I don't think I'm going to be able to back that. There we go. I did. So I'm able to put this through here after all to shorten it up some. Oh, came out of its. Yeah, that should work still. Okay, now if I were to lose this, where's it gonna fall? That's not bad. If I were to lose, that's just for track day coming up. We don't want to, it's got to be zip tied because they don't want you to lose it. There we go. Now, obviously, I'm going to have to cut those all off when I take this off for the day, because we don't want that stuck to my bike here. People might decide to try to take it off. I won't leave the GoPro in here, obviously, but they may, oh no, and freak out. It's like, hey, I got a GoPro for free, or pieces of one. But we'll see. But I'm gonna go get a pair of side cutters and get rid of all this for now. And I got a new gas cap. My other one was starting to give me issues. This is I just got this in yesterday. Put it on. The vent tube was a little difficult to get to work. The air vent tube, but it worked out. My biggest fear is how well it's going to seal when I do wheelies, because I do a lot of wheelies now and then, and I would hate this thing not vent right or dump fuel all over me when I'm in a wheelie and I smell like gas for the rest of the day. But going to the track, I need it for quick, you know, just boop and put gas in it. But at the same time, I've got to ride it, and I'm going to fill the tank up. That way I have a full tank of gas and to do my wheelies and stuff. That way I know this thing's going to leak out, or it's going to vapor lock because it's not venting right, and cause fuel starvation issues at the track next weekend when I go. So, but yeah, now I'm gonna go inside and get the side cutters for the zip ties, so we can get on the road. So, change out the battery, and as I'm sitting here, I could smell fuel from replacing this cap, or putting an aftermarket cap on. I can smell fuel. So I don't know, but I released the cap and it had some pressure behind it and kind of spit fuel over the chrome. Yeah, there's some more right there, just a little bit. So doing wheelies, it went up into the top part like it would normally anyway. I mean, this here cap is different. The actual cap is different than the stock one. This is a lot higher, so there's a space between the bottom of the filler and the top of the filler, whereas the stock one, it sat all the way down and the rubber sealed with the actual tank down inside the fill neck, so it kept fuel from getting up into the neck itself, whereas this aftermarket one, it does not keep it from doing that. So I have to be careful when opening it up to put more fuel in. Oh, there's the other cop. That's where he lives. That's like, I think that's the last one, but I have to be careful because it's kind of sprayed a little bit of droplets of fuel. You people are crazy fishing off that like that. What if you like lose your balance and fall out into traffic? Nobody's gonna be able to stop in time, especially if you lose your balance and fall right when they're going past or over the bridge. That's crazy. But anyways, I still like the looks of the cap. It's beautiful. It matches the bike. Got a little bit of red. I don't want to overdo it though. Too much red. That's too much. We got a bunch of birds, vultures, whatever right here. I don't want them to come and fly in front of me like the last one did.